Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom app. So guys, let's continue into Zoom app and then tap on schedule. So guys, first of all, you have to enter a name of topic that has been given to you, and you can enter any topic that you like. And then you can select your date here. And then you can select your starting time to ending time here also. And guys, you can select your time zone here by your country or district. And guys, you can see the another option, repeat. That is, you can make a recurring event like you want, and this event to be every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or every year also. And then guys, you can see you can also use personal meeting ID, and you can see the passcode number of your, and guys, you can change your passcode number if you want. And guys, you can also add calendar on the meeting here if you want. And once you have done, then tap on the done icon here in the right of corner, and that's how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom app. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.